The Vivo T5 Pro will be unveiled in India on April 15th and will be available via Vivo's official online store as well as Flipkart. The T5 Pro is revealed to have a 9020 mAh battery. A dedicated Flipkart microsite for the T5 Pro reveals it is 8.25 mm thick, with IP68/IP69 ratings. Featured a 6.77-inch quad-curved AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a claimed 5000 nit local peak brightness. At the helm is the Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 SoC, paired with up to 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. The phone packed a 50MP primary sensor with OIS, a 50MP periscope telephoto offering 3x optical zoom, also with OIS, and a 2MP auxiliary sensor. On the front, a 32MP shooter handled selfies. The T5 Pro is expected to launch in India with a great price ratio. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.